Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jake at Lexus of Cool Springs. Today I wanted to go over the Lexus power rear door with the kick sensor. It's going to be demonstrated on this 2021 Lexus NX 300 F Sport, but this is the same technology that's on all the other trunks that have the kick sensor. So the RX, the ES, the LS. If it has a kick sensor, it's going to work just like this. So stick around and I'll show you how it works. Okay, the first thing is to have the key on you. It can be in your pocket, it can be in your purse, but it needs to be on your body, okay? The second thing is to stand about maybe 2 feet away from the vehicle, all right? And then all you do is you swing your foot out underneath the bumper and back. You'll hear a beep from the car and the tailgate will rise. Okay, let's say you just unloaded all the groceries and you have to close the gate. You do the same thing, you just put it under the bumper and step back, and there it goes. So just remember, it's a punt motion. You're just out and back with your foot, not side to side, not a little circle, just out and back underneath the bumper, usually right under that little Lexus logo that's there on the bumper, and that should open the tailgate for you. Give it 1 second to hear that beep and then open. Otherwise, you might be rushing it and feel like it's not working, or maybe you swung your foot instead of kicked it out. But just give it a practice shot. I'll teach you when you come in here. Ask for Jake. My number is 615-200-2873. Take care.